Hello, it's time for Thursday's Drop in Craft. Today we are going to make a vase out of ribbon or twine or wool, whatever you have. This is my twine. I have wool, I have ribbon. You can use a water bottle, you can use a cup, you can use anything you want. That's going to be plastic so you can keep the flowers in water in it. You need a scissor to cut and glue. I'm going to do this small one, a little cup, just to show you how to do it. The first thing we're going to do is put glue all over. And I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm just gonna wrap it around my cup. You could do it neatly, you can do it any way you want. And there are just so many pretty flowers outside now that as long as you have water in there, your flowers will stay alive, and it's a beautiful present to give someone. Just gonna wrap the wool It's a little simple. Can't make any mistakes with this. And when you have your whole thing covered, you're going to cut it, put some more glue, put the end like that, and then you can decorate it. I have another color wool that I'm going to put around it. And I'm going to tie a bow. Cut it so I can make some stems. And that's mine. Very simple. You put some water into it. Like that. And I didn't have any flowers in my house, but I had some greenery. And you just put it in there. And you watch it grow. That's today's. Go out and get yourself some flowers from your backyard. Make yourself a vase. And give it as a gift. We'll see you next Thursday for another Drop in Craft. Have a good week.